Hello and welcome back to Andrew's Magical Deck of Secrets, and today we're going to perform a card trick with odd and even numbers equal by going through the deck of cards. So odds is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 for the Queen, and you got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, Jack and a King for the odds. If you get an odd and even together, that's just mixed, so they don't count. So we're going to go through. A Queen and a 6 is evens, you put them to one side. A Queen and an 8 is also even. A 3 and a 2 is mixed. A Jack and a 7 is even, a odd, sorry. Ace and a 9 odd. You got an Ace and a 6, which is mixed. Ace and a 2 is mixed. A 9 and a 4 is mixed. A King and a King is odd. You got an Ace and a 6 is mixed. You got a King and a 6 is also mixed. You got a 10 and a 2 is even. You got a 3 and a King is odd. You got a 5 and a 5 is odd. You got a 10 and a 5 is mixed. You got a 4 and a 10 is even. You got a 3 and a 4 is mixed. You got a 10 and a Jack is mixed. You got an 8 and a Jack is mixed. You got a 7 and a 4 is mixed. You got a Jack and an 8 is mixed. You got a 9 and a 2 is mixed. You got a Queen and an 8 is even, and the last one you got a Queen and a 7 is mixed. So at the start of this I said we would have exactly the same amounts as odds and evens. So I'll count the cards for the evens first. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll count the cards for the odd numbers. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you are. You have got 10 even cards and 10 odd cards. I'll do it one more time and I'll make one more prediction. So I'll shuffle the cards again, and this time we'll have 4 more cards on the odd numbers compared to the even numbers. So same again, we turn them over. You got a 9 and a 6 is mixed. You got an Ace and a King is odd. You got a 2 and a 3 is mixed. You got a 4 and a 7 is mixed. You got a pair of 8s which is even. You got a 4 and a 6 which is even. You got a 5 and a 10 which is mixed. You got a 6 and a 2 which is even. You got an Ace and a 5 which is odd. You got a Jack and a 4 which is mixed. You got a 9 and a 2 which is mixed. You got a 7 and a Queen which is mixed. A 3 and a 6 which is mixed. A Ace and a Jack which is odd. A Jack and a 10 is mixed. A Queen and a 10 is even. A 9 and a Jack is odd. An Ace and a King is odd. A King and a 3 is odd. A 5 and a King is odd. A Queen and an 8 is even. A 5 and a 2 is mixed. A Queen and a 10 is even. A 9 and an 8 is mixed. A 7 and a 3 is odd. And the last two, a 7 and a 4 is mixed. So I said we would have 4 more cards in the odd compared to the even. So let's count the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Once again, thank you very much for watching Andrew's Magical Deck of Secrets. If you'd like to see more videos, please like, share on Facebook, TikTok and YouTube. Once again, thank you for watching Andrew's Magical Deck of Secrets.